this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a really good green smoothie. There is nothing worse than a lumpy green smoothie. Here's the trick. You want to choose your liquid. I love coconut water. This works really well. Choose your leafy greens. Now what you want to do is rip any of the leafy bits off the stems, because you do not want these woody stems in your smoothie, because they're going to taste bitter and they're going to make it really a bit chewy. So make sure you take those off. You could juice them or put them in the compost. Leafy greens like spinach, not a problem. Then you can add, if you've got a really good strong blender like Thermomix or something really decently strong, you could add whole fruits, but you could chop that into chunks. You want to think about a soft fruit. Either choose an avocado or a banana or maybe some mango cheeks, all right? And then you want to think about what extra things you can add. I love adding Superfood Plus. It's probiotics, digestive enzymes, and a whole heap of goodness from fermented and sprouted greens. So that's really good for you as well. Bung it all in the smoothie and blend it up. Okay, so it's really quite simple, but those little steps of taking the leaves off the stalks and adding in one bit of soft fruit really helps that fibre become all nice and smooth and lovely and green. Enjoy.